West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has brought the political showdown over the special intensive revision of voter rolls to the national capital. Now, today, she did make history. Now, amongst all the protests that she's held in Delhi, this one was not a protest, but it is perhaps the most impactful attention-drawing exercise to the problems that the Trinamool has with the SIR. And they say that a lot of people in West Bengal are facing a lot of challenges in ensuring that they remain on the voters list because of the way in which the SIR or the Special Intensive Revision exercise is taking place in West Bengal. The West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has been in Delhi. She visited the Election Commission. She's also held a press conference with all the SIR victims, BLO's families by her side. And today, it was her turn to approach the courts. Mamata Banerjee herself is a petitioner. She's filed a petition before the Supreme Court and she appeared in person. She also then explained to the court, with permission of course, of why the SIR is problematic in West Bengal. She asked for 5 minutes initially. The Chief Justice said, "We will give you 15. Now, Mamata Banerjee then, of course, stood in court and narrated what was wrong with the SIR. She also highlighted how only opposition ruled states are being targeted. She said neighboring Assam, which also goes to polls, is not having an SIR exercise. She also said something that can be done in 2 years cannot suddenly be completed in 2 months. There were lots of other issues that came up. She brought out, the issue of micro observers, all of those things that the Trinamool has been highlighting. But perhaps what is more substantial in terms of takeaways is the political impact this has had. When was the last time you heard a chief minister, a sitting chief minister, approaching the court herself and then making her arguments in court, in front of the Chief Justice's court, and asking the court to intervene? In fact, there were dramatic lines, "I come before you with folded hands," almost impleading the court that she was fighting for the rights of citizens of West Bengal. Now, this is what this whole exercise was about. While the Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee, is hoping for relief in terms of some of the problematic formulae and the problematic, ways of implementing the SIR, what is happened today has also had a huge political impact. In West Bengal, it's being seen as the chief minister now fighting for citizens herself in court directly. Of course, the court did remind her that she had a counsel, Mr. Devan, but in all of this, the Chief Minister's political message that she's taking on the BJP, that she's fighting for the rights of people, something that the Trinamool has always maintained, its political messaging has got a shot in the arm with this particular appearance of Mamata Banerjee in court. West Bengal watched as their Chief Minister made arguments in court. The BJP was quick to dismiss it as drama. The BJP also said that Mamata Banerjee does not want an SIR because she has a vote bank to protect. They also said that Rohingyas have become part of the voter lists and infiltrators have become part of the voter lists, and an unclean voter list like that compromises elections. But when it comes to narrative building, at least as far as today's proceedings are concerned, Mamata Banerjee did have an impact, and the impact is beyond the courtroom. While she argued on legal points, while she made legal points, and while she came as a person looking for legal relief, the political impact of that was quite openly felt outside the courtroom in West Bengal, where the Trinamool has really built this as the chief minister fighting for the rights of Bengal and Bengali citizens who stand to be disenfranchised if the SIR is conducted in the manner in which it is taking place. The BJP is fighting back, but Mamata Banerjee today seems to have hit a political sixer. Will the BJP able to rein her in the remaining overs before the elections actually take place is something that again will be as interesting as Bengal elections have been in the past. For more such videos, stay tuned to NDTV's YouTube platform, where we dissect and look at news stories beyond the headlines. Thank you so much for watching this video.